Hello, everybody. It's me, Geeky Gabe, and yeah, I haven't seen you guys in a while. Um, yeah, sorry for my absence. I've had a lot of schoolwork. It's my first year of high school, so yeah, that's exams. It took a while to get used to. So yeah, I had a lot of studying and stuff like that, but it's done now. So thought, yeah, it's summer, so might as well just do another HTML tutorial. And well, this one's a. I think you can only do this on Dream. Well, you could code it, but this one's gonna be basically revolving around Dreamweaver and cool little things not a lot of people know what you can do with it. So if you guys know, there is jQuery. You may know. And that is basically what makes animated websites. You know, when you hover over something, it could fade in, fade out, or when you click on it, it can just have a different animation or a different loop or something like that. Well, that's a plugin to JavaScript. So basically, you just do scripts using the jQuery, and yeah, but the cool thing that Adobe Dreamweaver gives us is something kind of like jQuery. So basically, they're called behaviors, and yeah, we're just gonna be messing around with those this episode. So basically, if you don't know how to get them, usually when you have your Dreamweaver, it's like this or whatever. Just go Window and Behaviors. Now, first, you're going to want to select the thing that you're going to want to add the behavior to. So we're just going to do our Facebook logo. And we'll do add. And then there's all these things here. Effects is kind of like the jQuery type things. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want it to shake. So shake back and forth when we hover over it. So we'll do shake. Okay. And it might prompt you like it wants to add a new asset or something like that. Just click OK. It'll just make a new folder, so and you're gonna have to add that when you upload your site. So here we have our shake, but as you can see it's on click. So basically just click that and look at all these things you can do. On blur, on click, on error, on focus, on load, on mouse up, on mouse out, so we're gonna do on mouse over. So basically, oh, which is basically hover. We're just gonna save that, and let's just apply that to all of our different things here. Okay, so now if we just click on our globe and preview in Chrome, you can see that when we hover over it, it is that cool little shake animation. So this is basically like a really easy way to do jQuery without having to do much code. So it's good if like you don't have a lot of time. It's not really time consuming at all. You saw how fast I just did that. Um, and yeah, basically, if we just go here, there's a bunch of different ones that we can do. So basically, if we go to YouTube, what you can do is right click, delete behavior, then you can add behaviors, and we'll look into our effects again, and we can do we can do fade. So this one's a little bit more complicated. So it'll fade away after a certain thing. So there, and right now it's on click, but let's do on mouse over. Preview in Chrome. I don't think this is gonna. And there you go. Fades away. And when you go over it, it comes back. So yeah, there's a bunch of these cool little things that is really interesting and fun to play with. I'm just gonna stick to this shake. And basically, if you don't want only that to happen, you can do a bunch of different stuff. So you can go here. There's a syntax error, but whatever. You can make it like go to the URL when you hover over it. It's kind of like a pop-up ad if you want to do something like that. Or open a new browser window. Yeah, and you also call it JavaScript. So this is good if you have a script and you don't want to add the hover. You just type in your script, like the script name. You click OK, and it'll link it. And then whenever you could just change it to on, like what we did there, and then we'll call the script, which is pretty cool. So let's just play around with this go to URL. We can do http youtube.com/user/geekygabe. Okay, so you can open in main window, or you can just change that. You can browse. So okay, so that's on click. But what we can do is we could change it to on mouse up, which is basically here. I'll show you. So if we open this up, did it work? Yeah. Okay. So sorry, I was just checking that out. So it shakes, and when you put your mouse down, it doesn't do anything. You can carry it around, but it's only when you put your mouse down, then back up, it will open up the YouTube channel. That's just what it usually opens. So yeah, there's that. Oh, and 25 subscribers. Thanks for that. So yeah, basically there's a lot of cool behaviors that you can do, which is just like jQuery, just without the code, and lots of cool stuff like that. But yeah. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is JavaScript. I want to teach you guys like a really basic thing that can really be really cool. Now, JavaScript, I haven't really covered it in this tutorial series, but I think you guys will like it. It's really interesting the type of things you can do with it. So, yeah, we're just going to be doing some coding. So, I want to just open up my contact. And here I have the contact via site. I still haven't done the form, but we'll do that eventually. So, in our insert, in our forms, we're just going to scroll down, 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 button. Add that right there. We don't need ID or label for now. Yes, okay. So we'll just format, align, center. Okay, and then there we have our button. So we're gonna open up and split, and actually we'll just go into code view, and we'll do our value here. We'll do it. So basically the value is like what it says in the button. So we're going to just type in, well, this is what I'm going to do. Thank you. Wait, actually let me say thanks. Okay, so that's our button. Now, it looks like we already have a script here. So I guess I'll just take advantage of that. I don't know why that's there. I'll just bring it up. Okay. So basically, just type in this right here, script type text/JavaScript, and then end the script. Now, here's where we're going to be typing in our script. Now I don't know if it's on awake or if it's on button down. I hope it's on button down, but sometimes it's on awake, but it doesn't really matter because it's cool anyway. So we're going to do a new variable, and we're going to call it name. And then just equal, and that means it's blank right now. So it can be changed. So that's why we have two quotations and nothing there. So next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna say what name is. So name equals whatever they tell us. So we're gonna prompt them. Oops, prompt. We're gonna prompt them. So then brackets, quotations, and we're gonna say hello. And I say I'm Gabe. And what is your name? What is your name? Question mark. Okay, so now that they're gonna have like a little space to type in their name, we can just alert them. So we can just say alert. So instead of prompting, we're alerting them. It's just a pop-up window, and we're gonna say hello, and then we're gonna turn off those quotations right there, and we're gonna go ahead and do 2 plus signs and name for a variable. Okay, and then we can just go ahead and close that with 2 quotations again. And what we can just go ahead and do is type in whatever's after that. So hello, name. I'm going to say I'm Gabe. And I would like to say thank you. And let's just use their name again. So we'll be like no. Honestly. And then we have to do that again. And so quotes off, plus plus, name, and then quotes on, and we'll just say no, honestly, name, thanks, thanks, okay. And then there we go, semicolon to finish it off, just like we always do with code. So hello, I think I should put a space there so that's we can see it, and a space there. So yeah, this is what your code should look like. Let's go ahead and just test it out. Open it up in Chrome. Okay, so hello, I'm Gabe. What's your name? And I'll say, let's just say John. Say, hello, John. I'm Gabe. Okay, I have to put a period after that. And I would like to say thank you. No, honestly. Okay, space after honestly. Nice. Okay, so space there. And a period right there, I think would do it. Okay, so let's try this out. I'm say John again. Hello, John. I'm Gabe. Thank you. No, honestly, thanks. Then click OK, and they're on our website. So yeah, I don't know why this is not centered. Format. align center. So yeah, that's it for that. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Peace out.